Ever built a one-page website with AI tools and it looked perfect until it broke the moment real customers visited? You're not alone, and today, I'll show you a free, simple way to make your AI-built site rock solid for real-world traffic. AI website builders are amazing for speed. But here's the problem. Most aren't designed for scalability and reliability. The moment you add more visitors, new products, or connect multiple tools, things start to lag or crash entirely. That's because these platforms often skip the boring but essential parts: server optimization, uptime monitoring, and failover systems. But what if I told you you can fix this without hiring a huge dev team or spending thousands of dollars? First, test your site's load capacity. Use Loader.io or K6 Cloud to simulate hundreds of visitors at once. Both are free and tell you exactly when your site slows down. Second, set up AI-powered uptime monitoring. Sign up for UptimeRobot and connect it to ChatGPT to instantly summarize and troubleshoot downtime reports. Third, optimize your images and code without touching a single line of programming. Use Squoosh to compress large images, then run your HTML and CSS through Code Beautify to remove unused lines. This alone can cut loading times in half. Finally, move your site to a scalable free host like Netlify or Vercel. Both free tiers can handle sudden traffic spikes much better than most AI builder hosting. If this sounds too technical, don't worry. I help businesses all over the world turn fragile AI-built websites into fast, reliable moneymakers. If you want the same for your site, just mention me in the comments, and I'll point you in the right direction. Your website is the face of your business. Don't let slow loading or crashes scare customers away. If this video saved you time or headaches, hit that subscribe button right now. Smash like, and share this with a friend who's building their own site. The faster your site works, the faster your business grows. And I've got more tricks coming your way in the next video.